Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change time on a MacBook Pro. If you want to change your time for your MacBook Pro, then the process is quite easy. So let's get started. Click on your Apple logo appearing at the top left corner of your home screen and click on System Preferences. Now, navigate to Date and Time and click on it. Click on the lock icon at the bottom left and enter your administration's password. Once you've unlocked that, click on Date and Time at the top. If you've turned on Set Date and Time automatically, then simply go ahead and disable that first by checking on this little box. Now, click on the clock displayed on the right hand side. Now you can simply go ahead and adjust your time by clicking on this little drop down at the top and set it to your desired time. And finally click on Save. You can also change your date by clicking on the calendar on the left corner, select the time you would like to set and click on Save. If you want to manually set the time zone instead of using your current location, you can click on Time Zone at the top and then uncheck the Set Time Zone automatically using current location box. Click on the map and select the desired time zone and apply the changes by clicking on the lock. And that is how you will be able to change the time and date of your preference on MacBook. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the new video. Thank you for watching.